morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to hop into CVS to check out the deals starting the 24th through the 30th. So let's talk about something really quick. So there's going to be a change to my CVS videos. So I'm still going to be doing some CVS videos, but this was actually an idea that my husband brought upon to me, and I think that it is a fantastic idea. Now, I know this isn't an original idea. I know that other videos like this surface, but I'm just going to focus on doing the top 4 deals over at CVS each week, because I get myself in store and I'm sharing with you guys like everything in the ad that's like a good deal, but I want to give you more of like an expert opinion. I have been CVS couponing for over 3 years here on YouTube, and I really wanted to give you guys like a condensed version of CVS, because I mean, each week, yeah, there's makeup deals, yeah, there's shampoo deals and all of that stuff, but we can't eat shampoo, we can't eat cosmetics. So I'm really going to start condensing them and doing like a top 4, top 5 list. I know Llewellyn does this. I know Natalie from Clean Cut Couponing does this. So no, this is not an original idea, but this is the road that I'm taking with my channel in terms of CVS. Now, CVS hauls. I am not going to sit down and film a CVS haul every single week, because if it's like this current week, I didn't go CVS shopping at all because I didn't need anything. So I'm not going to film a haul for you guys just for the sake of filming a haul, because I feel like that is, coupon mistake number 1 is buying stuff you don't need. And I don't want to just pull things out of my stockpile for you guys and then put up a haul that way, because I feel like the CVS hauls have its most value when we're doing the deals and we can like let you guys know of problems. Like I feel like that's the most value in terms of a CVS haul. So I won't be, pulling stuff out of my stockpile. I did that a few times and I just don't think that that gave you guys like the tools you needed to go out and do the deals. So I'm going to do a CVS like CRT video each week for you guys, because I think those are helpful and it gives you guys ideas that maybe you wouldn't have thought to do. So we're going to hop into CVS. Now that I only have 4 to 5 deals, I can do a printable for you guys. So this is a way for me to kind of, take a little bit of work off my plate so that I can open up my time to do other things. So I have become very active in my church. I've led a small group. I am now, in Celebrate Recovery. So there are just other things that are on my priority list. And I don't want to be doing YouTube as like a full, 40-hour-a-week job. Like I want to free up that time to volunteer at Scarlet School. I want to free up that time to, sit and read a book. And like I said, be more balanced. So speaking of books, the book I'm actually reading right now is called Social Media Wellness. It's helping tweens and teens thrive in an unbalanced digital world. And I feel like this book would apply to adults as well. Anyone who is, in social media, if you have a social media account, you guys need to read this book, because my eyes have been like wide open, even just with the first like few chapters of this book. So if you're interested in that book, I'm going to link it below. I'm going to start doing more days in my life video, because I like watching those and you guys really like watching them as well. And it gives you guys a side of me that's not just couponing. And that's really what I want for my channel. Is I love couponing, but there's other things I love as well. So I really want to be focusing on other things other than just couponing. So we're going to hop in. I'm going to share with you guys the best deals, and that's what we're doing. Now, I know this might upset people, which is fine if they're wanting to go to a channel for like all things CVS. Like there are some great channels out there on YouTube that do CVS. I mean, Couponing for a Cause is great with like detailed breakdowns and scenarios and walkthroughs. Llewellyn has, been on YouTube doing CVS for years now. So if you're wanting like a really strong CVS couponer, she's one to turn to. Natalie from Clean Cut Couponing, I mean, 75% of her channel is based on CVS. So there are other CVS couponers that you guys can go to if you're looking for like all the ins and outs of the CVS deals. But thank you in advance if you're sticking around in this change. I just felt like a top 5 video is best for everyone, because you guys don't have time to sit through, a 20-minute long video on CVS every single week. So I wanted to put your guys' time in consideration as well as my time, and just share with you guys literally the best deals. So now that we're done rambling, I'm gonna hop in CVS and share them with you. You guys, so the Colgate Optic White, the Max Fresh, and the Total, these guys are priced for $3.50 on sale. We're all getting a $3 instant coupon, and there's a printable dollar off one on coupons.com, which will make this a 50-cent moneymaker after your coupon and extra care buck. However, there's gonna be a 50-cent send a card app coupon. If you don't know how to use your CVS app, I do have a video explaining it, so I'll have that linked for you guys below, as well as in the iCards. So with the 50-cent coupon, it makes this guy free, but if you have that dollar printable coupon, then it makes it a 50-cent moneymaker. So free toothpaste is always the goal. The goal in couponing is always to get stuff like this for free. Okay, you guys, so another freebie is on these Suave shampoos. So these guys are on sale 2 for $6, and you're gonna get a $4 extra care buck when you buy 2. And we have 3 off 2 coupons from the Retail Me Not. So with that 3 off 2 coupon, you're actually gonna pay $3, and then you're gonna earn a $4 extra care buck, making it a $1 moneymaker, which is a killer deal. And then if you have a $2 off any hair care CRT, I got that one that printed this past week. So that CRT right there is gonna make this guy a $3 moneymaker. So really great deals on Suave. Free Suave is always the best route to go. And all right, you guys, so we have a fantastic gift card promo. So when you spend $50, you're going to get a $15 extra care buck. Usually it's a $10 extra care buck. So this week it is a $15 extra care buck on Chili's gift cards. So this is a great deal. So it makes a $50 gift card $35, which is a great deal, you guys. So we have a great deal on the Kellogg's Nutri-Grain cereal bars. So these guys are on sale. They're going to be on sale 2 for $5. And if you guys got this dollar off 4 coupon, it came from the Red Machine. Pair it here, so it makes them 2 for $4 or $2 a box, which is a great deal because these guys start at $4.39. So basically, you get the second box for free, basically. So this is a killer deal, you guys. Okay, you guys, so we have a nice deal on the General Mills cereals. So these guys are on sale 2 for $5. There is a dollar off 2 app coupon, and if you got that dollar off 5 CRT like I did, it makes them 2 for $3 or $1.50 each, and you can submit a $1 back on 2 to Saving Star. So it makes these guys just $1 each, which is a great deal. We also have a deal on Black Friday as well. So if you haven't watched my Black Friday matchup deal, then definitely go and watch that video because I have some scenarios with General Mills cereals as well. This is what the dollar off 5 General Mills cereal CRT looks like. So if you have not printed your CRTs, go and print them because you might have this guy and be able to score these Honey Nut Cheerio boxes or any General Mills cereal boxes for $1. Okay, so something else I want to add with you guys to let you know, you will be able to take advantage of like the toothpaste deal twice because it is advertised in the Black Friday ad. So Black Friday sales are separate from like the general sales. So you come in here on Monday, you can do your free toothpaste deal, and then you come back on Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, any day during their Black Friday deal, and then you can take advantage of that deal again. So there are double dipping deals this week. So yeah, and again, if you haven't watched my CVS Black Friday plan, then I'll have that linked below as well as in the iCards. All right, you guys, so all of my top deals for CVS is gonna have a bonus deal of some sort. So the bonus deal that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys this week for CVS is gonna be on the Eucerin. So Eucerin is on a spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks. And why this is a bonus deal is because I have coupons for you guys. I have baby Eucerin coupons to give away in this video. So if you want to be entered to win for those coupons, make sure you are subscribed and make a comment of a reindeer. Comment one of Santa's reindeers in the comment section below and you will be entered to win those coupons. So anytime that this spend 20 get 10 on Eucerin, it also applies for baby Eucerin as well. So my pediatrician is amazing and she always gives me Carepass. So I have an abundance of coupons to share with you guys because I cannot use all of those coupons. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's top 4 deals at CVS plus that bonus deal. So really it's top 5 deals of CVS. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys understand the direction I'm taking with CVS and only doing the top 4 to maybe 6 deals each week. So thank you in advance for understanding. CVS is not going from my channel, but I just felt like this was a happy medium to keep, you know, everyone happy. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye guys.